Okay, this is the examiner's report for January 2010, the Othello question. So overall, responses to this question were sound, and there was some good work done on religious imagery, terms of address, and Desdemona's use of questions and exclamations. Successful candidates identified stylistic features from within the extract, which clearly supported specific character traits of Desdemona, and analysed these features with close reference to the text. Many identified dramatic irony as dramatic technique, but were less successful in describing how that technique worked and how it linked to suitable quotations within the passage. Don't just include dramatic irony because it's in most of the play. If it's not in your selected extract, don't include it. If you do include it, make sure you find a quote that demonstrates it in action. Less successful candidates lost focus on Desdemona and discussed Othello's language and treatment of her in the extract, and so drifted away from the question. Even if your extract, particularly if Iago is involved, if the question is not about him, you must relate every other point to the other character. Do not look at the other character's use of language. If the question asks you about Desdemona, or Roderigo, or Cassio, or Othello, or Iago, you focus on that aspect solely, okay? Sometimes you will get a task where it looks at something more general, and in which case you can then both look at both characters. We did a question recently that was about a sense of mounting horror, and that could have connected with either character and how they were speaking to one another. Others wrote broadly about Desdemona's character traits as revealed in the extract or in the play generally. You have to look at specific words and phrases, what they tell us about her character. You need to look at specific structural features and say what they show us about her character in that extract. So be really specific about the extract.